Stir constantly, mastering the phrase for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common cooking-related phrase in English: stir constantly. This phrase is not only useful in the kitchen but also a great example of understanding English instructions. Let's dive in and learn about it together. Stir constantly is a phrase often found in cooking recipes. To stir means to move a spoon or other implement around in a liquid or other substance to mix it thoroughly. The word constantly here means doing the action without stopping. So, when a recipe instructs you to stir constantly, it's asking you to keep mixing the ingredients continuously without a break. In cooking, stirring constantly can be crucial for a few reasons. First, it helps to distribute heat evenly, preventing the food from burning or sticking to the pan. Secondly, it can help blend flavors and ingredients together more effectively. Understanding this phrase ensures you follow the recipe correctly for the best results. Let's see stir constantly in action with some examples. 1. Making a sauce. Stir constantly to ensure the sauce doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. 2. Cooking oatmeal. Once the oats are added to the boiling water, stir constantly to prevent lumps. These examples show how the phrase is commonly used in cooking instructions. For English language learners, remember, stir can have different meanings depending on the context. In cooking, it specifically refers to mixing ingredients. Pay attention to adverbs like constantly. They give you important information about how to perform the action. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of stir constantly in English, especially in cooking contexts. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding these little details. Happy cooking and happy learning! See you in our next video.